All right, hello everyone. We're back here cooking with Grandma Tanner, Thursdays at 3 o'clock. Today, she will be making healthy queso dip with butternut squash. I mean, I love queso, so
it is delicious.
All right, and what do you got here? What's this thing?
Well, I've got do you remember this electric skillet, Jenny, when we used to go on vacation and we cooked in our room sometimes?
Oh, yeah.
Made beef stew and all kinds of good things.
I remember that thing.
Well, I got it out because one of our employees said, well, why don't you use the electric skillet instead of going back there? So first of all, I'm going to tell you how to do a butternut squash. I have pierced this several times with a knife, with a big knife, and put it in the microwave for 6 minutes, depending on the size of your squash. Then it is so much easier to cook and cut, more cut than anything. So I cut both ends off.
Did you cut the ends off before or after?
I cut the ends off before.
Okay.
And then I'll just take this knife, and it's real easy just to go right down. I'll put a little rag on that. Right down in the middle. And there is your squash. Now it is not done, but we scoop out these seeds, and then you can put it in a skillet, or you can put it back in the microwave and cook it. Microwave it. It's not done. It's pretty hard yet.
So you want to cook it till it's soft.
Cook it till it's soft. Now, the other night I did 2 of them, and I put the skin side down in a pan.
Skin side up.
Skin side up. Cut side down. And I put a little spray in there so it'd be real easy to clean out.
When you put it in the
And then
oven?
I put it in the oven. I put a little water in there. And I put it at 350, and it didn't take long. And then as soon as you poke it with a knife and it's soft, then it's ready.
Like a potato.
Like a potato, yep. So that's how you do the butternut squash. And you can actually do all your squash that way, because they have a very hard skin on them. Okay, now we're going to make this dip. So I put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, and we'll saute these onions.
How many onions did you put in?
That was a half a cup. Half a cup of chopped onions.
Does it matter if you use red or white?
The recipe asks for red, and you know, maybe red onions are a little more mild. Sometimes, but the ones I grow in the garden, I get them from down there at Kelly's, and they are real mild, and they're very good keepers. Candy, they're something with candy.
So you saute those till they're just soft?
Yeah, you just saute these till they're kind of clear. And then you put a clove of garlic in.
So how much is that of the mint?
It's about a tablespoon or a teaspoon.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, you can put, you could put another little half in. If you like garlic, it's good. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. So you just keep stirring that until so you can smell that good garlic. Get this all heated up. Now on that squash, what I did was you can mash it, you can fork it, you can potato mash it, or you can blend it. I used my stick blender, and this is 16 ounces. So we'll put that in there. Let that heat up.
Which is about 2 cups.
Yep, it's 2 cups. Put that, blend that all in with those onions and then it's a teaspoon, get these out of the way, it's a can of this
tea, and I bet you could use the, oh, what is that? Rotel.
Yes, this has little green chilies
Okay,
in it.
does it? Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't see that.
And you know, it's very attractive with that. I think it would be a great
Tailgating?
tailgating, because the color is just, it says fall. Now turn that back up a little bit.
Okay.
Just stir that all around in there.
Get
it all nice and warm. See how pretty that is with those red tomatoes in there? Now it's a teaspoon of chili powder. A teaspoon of chili powder. A teaspoon of cumin.
I like how you sprinkle that all over there.
Yeah. And a teaspoon of taco seasoning. And taco seasoning does have a thickening agent to it. So we'll just stir that all up real good. Oh, it smells so good.
It does smell good. I found that fly. Keeps landing on my arm.
Mm-hmm. You must be sweet.
Thanks, Mom.
I knew you'd like that. So you get this all heated. Now we sell the spicy queso and the mild. But today I'm going to use a full container of the spicy, and it is so good.
So
Cheese.
You boil that, bring to a boil.
I think if you wanted to do this for a fall party, you could put it in a small, after you get this all blended together and hot, you could just put it in a little crock pot.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a really nice dip. You want to get this pretty warm before you put that cheese in there. And the recipe asks for Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to use a 4 ounces. And that'll just all melt together there.
Now, where do you eat this?
Probably the hardest part about this whole thing is that squash, to get that all.
And a lesson we learned earlier this year, we love Aldi's, but their shredded cheeses don't melt very well.
Yeah,
So you don't really want to use all these cheese.
We didn't realize that.
No. Can you get it?
I'll get this. So this queso is very nice and thick and creamy. Oh my goodness. This makes a wonderful dish.
Now Brenda, my daughter, she eats that spicy queso just right, doesn't heat it up or nothing, just opens it up and starts dipping her chips.
I think really you could do that. I see there's one in the refrigerator. Yeah, it probably has Brenda's name on it. Oh, yeah. This does get a little bit thicker as it cools. Mm-hmm. But that's about it right there.
And you just serve it with some tortilla chips, huh?
Yep. Tortilla chips, or we'll get this all heated up here. The garlic and the onion and the chili powder and all those just really, the flavor just really comes out.
That is good.
Now the employees are going to be able to eat this on their break.
Oh, it's spicy.
Is it spicy?
Yeah.
It kind of, for me. Afterwards, yeah. So that's why I say, if you don't want to use the spicy one, you can use the mild one.
Mm-hmm. I don't like, I'm not a very good spicy eater. I like my foods a lot more mild. So if you like spice, is this probably ain't spicy at all for somebody.
And we have these
croissantes.
Croissantes. I think these would be excellent to dip in there. We'll try a few of them. You just bring this to a boil.
See if it's any better with that.
I think it's better with a chip or something because it kind of...
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's good.
It's very good.
Would be good on tortilla chips.
And now we have these tortilla chips.
Where am I? No, there it is. There's a spice again. Woo! For me. So, there you go. A healthy queso dip.
Yes.
It's like a caramel apple. It's healthy because it's got the apple in it. Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
So, all right. Well, what do you want to say about the squash now that you got your mouth full? All of our squashes, buy one, get one or get one free, right?
Yes. And it's mix or match. And we're coming up with some recipes. And I will tell everybody how to pop that in the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes so it softens up. So you can heat it or cut it so much easier. Mm-hmm. And you can make that squash ahead of time. Like I cooked that squash, today's Thursday, Tuesday, and pureed it. Okay. So it was all ready. So if you're going to have a party, that's something you can do ahead of time. And this, you just dump it all together in your skillet and then serve it.
All right. All right, and we got all kinds of squash. We got acorn, butternut, spaghetti, the honey. What is it? The honey.
The honey nut is a little one like this.
Really good.
We had them for supper the other night, and we ate 2.5 of them.
And sweet mama. Sweet mamas are really good. So come on out, and all the squash are buy one get one free.
With the dry weather that we have a beautiful selection, and the squash are all beautiful. One year it rained and rained, and we hardly picked any of it. It rotted in the field. So
this year we got a lot of them, huh?
We got a lot of them, and they will store in a dry, cool place.
All right. If you get a bad spot in it, you just cut it out.
Yep.
Doesn't ruin the whole squash. All right, there you guys go. Healthy queso dip with butternut squash. This weekend, we'll have the unicorns and Elsa will be here. So Elsa will be here from 10 to 5, I know, Saturday and Sunday. So we hope to see everybody here. Thanks a lot.